Hi folks, it is Tuesday, November 17th, and this is your daily forecast. So the first thing is that assignment 2 is due today, so do make sure that you submit your assignment in assignment 2's folder. The next thing you're going to do is going to be a series of videos, right, because we're introducing the third and final assignment in this class. I want you to watch this video, which is me introducing the assignment. It's also a really good idea to then read the assignment handout, right? Because I don't read at you, so you're still going to want to read that. Then from there, make note of the important dates for assignment 3. And then from there, I want you to watch a mini lecture. It is going to be on the long-ish side. I think it's like going to be 15 minutes, but it's me drawing. It's not like a traditional type lecture thing. I think it might actually be really helpful for you. What I would do when I'm watching that video is like make some notes to yourself, because you're actually going to use the information in that lecture to then help you in the last part of the thing we're doing for class. So you're going to watch that mini lecture, and you're going to notice that I've kind of written out some of the things that I'm mentioning in the lecture, but I promise you the lecture is probably going to be a lot more visually appealing in terms of being able to sort of make meaning. And then from there, after you've watched that lecture, I want you to get a piece of paper and some pens, and then I want you to create a concept map of your paper. So you can just kind of do something similar to what I'm doing in the lecture, but if you are unsure, you can watch this little tiny video. It's like a minute and a half that talks you through how to create a concept map. But I promise you, you're going to want to create a concept map for your paper before you start writing it, because sometimes we end up getting writer's block because we immediately try to go to linear thinking, when what we really need to do is like imagine the possibilities so that we can find the order in the chaos. And if we skip that part, we can end up sort of short-circuiting. Okay, so just sort of keep that in mind. All right, so for homework, I want you to read this tiny little resource on brainstorming. There are different methods there we're actually going to practice, but I do want you to read the part about cubing. And then once you do that, I want you to practice cubing for your assignment. Okay, so that is homework.